Castellucci reporting. Back here in East Texas, you've got your own collection of, I don't know, severe weather stories, days over and over here. This month has been pretty rough for East Texas. We are all so ready for a break, Carson.
Yes, I mean, and I do think a break is coming, but we got to get through the weekend first.
Okay.
Yeah, but this weekend, Casey and Isaac, I'm not really as impressed with the data as what we were seeing, let's say yesterday or Wednesday. So 40% chance, showers and thunderstorms, going to be hit and miss at times, and it doesn't look like we'll see widespread severe weather. So some good news there. Live look outside. We do have the cumulus clouds, so there is still a little bit of instability in the atmosphere, which could play into tomorrow's storms a little bit, but we're not really seeing anything right now. As we look at today's almanac, 81 degrees was your high at Tyler, 67. That was the low temperature occurring just after midnight. The records set back in 1911 was 102, and then several years before that, in 1889, we saw a record low of 47. Temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s still. It's very warm in some locations. Dew points in the 60s and 70s, so quite a bit of moisture still in the air. As we look out to the west, storms in New Mexico. We also have a complex of storms just to the south of Abilene, and you can see the blinking polygon right there. That is a very strong storm there in Abilene that's kind of beginning to move off to the south. So we'll keep an eye on this complex. I doubt that's going to impact us here in East Texas, but there's always a chance of that, and we do need to keep our weather wits about us tonight and as we move into tomorrow and Sunday. So here's 5 o'clock this evening, which is right now. Shower and thunderstorms moving off to the east by 7, and we're not going to be seeing much tonight, but as we head into tomorrow, we could see one of these complexes of storms hold together enough that, by tomorrow morning, we could see a thunderstorm or two, so we'll keep an eye on that, but I do think the better chance of storms will be starting tomorrow afternoon. That's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Storm chances, they're moving from west to east here, and we continue to monitor a couple of showers and thunderstorms in our northeastern counties. But as we move towards your Sunday morning, not a lot to talk about, but Sunday afternoon, that's when we could see those additional showers and thunderstorms begin to bubble up. Here is the severe weather outlook. We do have a marginal risk of severe weather that kind of outlines deep East Texas here. And they're going to be the threat of wind and hail. And then as we look at Sunday, we don't have a severe weather outlook for Sunday, so some good news there. But could that change? Yes. Will it probably change? Yeah, it definitely might. But I've gone ahead and knocked down our rain chances just a little bit. 40% coverage of storms tomorrow, 40% coverage of storms on Sunday. And as we look at the next 7, we're monitoring storm chances Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. High temperatures in the 90s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we get to 89 on Friday. As we look at deep East Texas, similar deal. We're monitoring showers and thunderstorms through the weekend and early next week. And we should begin to dry out as we move into late next week. Isaac, Casey?
Carson, thank you.